Okay, we're back to typesetting our production sequence, and in this video we're going to format the rest of the character text so that those characters and the point sizes and things like that, that's all going to be set into place. We have just formatted the most common text first, and so we need to add all of the other character attributes. So let's go and take a look at what's going on with our directions. Okay, so character formatting would be things like the type family. Okay, and if we like zoom in here a little bit on this one right here, let's say. Okay, here. Okay, would be your typeface or type family. It would be the style, which regular, italic, bold, semi-bold, those kinds of things. The size and the leading. Okay, so I'm highlighting these so you can see what's going on with it. And it also might be the color of the text. Okay, it also could be if the text is raised caps, or not raised caps, if it's a capitalized all caps, or in this case, this is a small caps. Okay, we have a fill color. Things like that are going to be handled with the characters. The other things are within the text. We've got a situation here where we have a glyph that's special in nature. So that glyph right here, the ST on the word most, there's a few combinations of text or letter characters together that might be like one symbol, and it kind of marries them together. The other is where you have bold or for one word or a phrase, or you have something like italic for a word or a phrase, something like that. So those are all character formatting, and we really do need to look for the italic. Okay, so we're going to make those kinds of changes. All right, first I do like to deal with the body copy. I really think we need to hunt these down. And if we go back to our text here, page 8, and we look for anything that is italic or bold that is like a one word within your text, then we're going to make those changes here in our InDesign file. This word exactly in the first paragraph, and so that's what I want to do. And we're right here exactly in the middle. And how to get to italic? Well, that's a matter of the style here. Okay, so if I'm going up here to my control panel, all right, regular, we're looking for italic. Okay, you could also go to the character panel, same controls here, italic from the drop-down menu that's there. Another thing that you could do is there is a key command set, and you can see what it is right here. Okay, it says use the shift command I, that's the letter I, capital letter I, on a magnetize, or shift control I to italicize the body copy. And so that will help you to speed up your production as well if you use that all the time, which actually I do. It's holding down your control or your command key, depending on if you're Mac or PC. Hold down your shift key, and then you hit the I character on the keyboard. For bold, it's same kind of controls, but you would hit the B key to make it bold. Okay, so let's see. I've got a Z right here. Kind of familiar with this. You got to kind of hunt for these. And then there's a word not. So we want to go ahead with those. italics. So for me, Shift Command I. For you, maybe Control Shift I. And then we have the word not in that. This is paragraph 4. Okay, will not. Okay, so then I'm going to set that as italic as well. Is there any more? And we got to hunt for them. Does not look like it. So we're in pretty good shape there. Okay, next kinds of treatments. Well, let's see about the running head. You know, this inline head, or a subhead I might call it, plus the raised cap. Okay, so the running head is obviously it's in red. So we want Menu Pro bold, so that has to be bold. So that change will happen. Small caps and red fill. So I want to highlight all the way from the period to the beginning here, format. All right, I'm going to leave it as that. We're going for bold. Okay. We're also going to change this to small capital letters. And in the control panel, we zoom in here, this right here, these little icons you could hover over. This one's all caps, a superscript, underline. Okay, we're looking for small caps, so I hit that. Okay. You can also go into the character panel. I tend to go to the character panel actually first. And there is a flyout menu with small caps that you can select. There's also a key command if you need to learn that. All right, so if I were to do the key command, which is kind of cool, this Shift Command H or Shift Control H for a PC, then all you have to do very quickly, Shift Command or Shift Control, all I'd have to do, highlight my text right here, and in fact I think that the raised cap is also bold. We'll take care of those. Bold. Alright, so take care of the whole shebang, okay? So Shift Command B for bold or Control Shift B. Control Shift H for your small caps. All right, now the number 2 is not going to be small caps. So we actually end up doing these a little bit separately. So you can uncheck small caps. That's fine. Okay, so as we go along, we want to be setting these, and I need to also at the same time make that red. Okay. All right, so I would be going through each and every one of these all the way down consistently. Now I want to just work with this first paragraph here and finish this out. Let's say the number 1 here, okay, is a raised cap. It's 14 point, 12 point leading, and a blue fill. So I need to finish that out. Yes, it's bold. It's 14 point. Okay, and I need a blue fill color. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to start working with the paragraph formatting. I'm going to finish this out while you're finishing this out, and we'll pick it up in the next video.